Good morning, ma'am. My name is Clarence from UH Caregiver Academy, your caregiver today. May I know your name, please?
Shirley Buyukan.
Okay, ma'am, your name is right, and we're going to get your blood pressure and pulse rate. Is it okay, ma'am?
Yes.
But before that, I have some questions. Did you do any exercises or activities 15 to 30 minutes ago?
No.
Do you drink coffee or tea this morning?
No.
Do you smoke or do you drink alcohol?
No.
Do you take any medication today?
No.
Did you undergo any surgeries before?
No.
Okay, ma'am. Which arm do you prefer?
This one.
Can I touch your... Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Your skin is good. No scratch, no bruise, and no wounds. This is your 40% arm circumference. Can you please move forward, ma'am? Usually, ma'am, what is your blood pressure?
110/80.
Okay. Please continue to relax, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, your blood pressure is 180, 110/80 millimeters of mercury, and your pulse rate is 86 beats per minute. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.